here for you. Here for you.
Who was here?
Them bikers. After you killed Johnny K.
And they damage my stuff, huh? They smash up my home, damage my soul. This statue here of impotent rage, this fucking meant more to me than Johnny K meant to anyone, and they smashed it. Those pathetic midlife crisis, hog-riding, shaven-headed, fruity leather, chapped-wearing fucking assholes.
They're assholes, Trevor. They are. They're chap-wearing assholes.
Wait, you little shit. Whoa. Hey, Michael fucking Townley, right? Bitch wife, 2 kids, 45. Find him?
Los Santos is a big place, Trevor. There's lots of people.
You are fucking useless. Huh? Find out who did that fucking robbery, all right? And if Michael Townley lives there, or anyone matching his description, I'm gonna kill you and your fucking cousin. Am I being clear now?
Yes, Trevor.
Thank you, Wayne. Now smile. Yeah, right? That's better. Run along. Now, Ron, shall we go? I gotta swing by ammunition. Go to Sandy Shores Airfield, check it out. For scope. Melvin! How you feel about brand synergy? That's the rifle I need. That's the chestnut. Now I need a scope and a suppressor. They won't hear me coming. Get that look off your face. I know you sold Cletus his gun and he ain't got 3 brain cells.
Here, I don't see the hardware, but I do see a hell of a lot of bikers.
Hardware's not here yet. I'm coming up. We gotta wait till you can slip in there unnoticed. Should give you the time to plan a route to the gas tank you're rigging up to blow. The time is right. Go on, my son. Whenever you get a doubt in your mind, I want you to remember that I'm watching you through the scope of a high-powered rifle.
Right, Trevor. Right. Got it.
Now, relax. The ATV can only take you so far. Park it and don't let them spot you.
Can you see me, Trevor? Can you see me? Over by the road.
You wouldn't believe this, Ron. One of these assholes is having a seizure or something.
That's me. Don't shoot. Hold up. There's a guard standing under the control. Don't mess around, team. Good kill, Trevor.
You're walking like you shat yourself. Move!
Shit! I hear an engine! They're gonna see that guy you shot! Quick, shoot out the lights on the tower above him! Lights off! Good. Now don't smoke the guy in the van until he stops and gets out. Hold fire. We gotta see what he's up to. I think he's just calling the dead guy. You can erase him now. He's out. You can put him down. You should have seen the look on his face. Wait! A guy came out of the control tower. Get him quick.
So long, sailor.
Oh no! Bottom of the tower. Another guy's on his way. He's down there. amongst the bodies. Clean shot, Trev.
Woo! Down he goes.
Get your sights back on me, Trev. I'm scared. Come on, man. Cover me.
Well, get a move on.
I'm moving. Just keep me covered, okay?
You're in my crosshairs again. There's no one left to kill, so get over to that gas tank and plant the bomb.
I can't. There's someone coming out of that building. I can hear him at that far door. Shoot! The guy had a buddy in the building. He's come out. Good kill, Trevor. I'm fixing it. Don't let him sneak up on me, okay? And watch out for the tank. It'll go up if you hit it. Someone's coming. He's gonna get me before I finish. He's coming over here. A bolt from the blue. Can you hear that? Chopper! Incoming!
Always hated that chopper. Just
The pilot plant didn't work. They know they're being attacked.
Protect the plane! You ain't going nowhere. He's going for the gun!
You got no...
In the hangar! The plane! I'll get it started if you can clear the runway.
Nowhere to go!
I don't see none of the guys who came to your trailer here.
one dead biker is as good to me as another.
We got a man hit!
I'm afraid I gotta confiscate his weaponry.
Let's get him!
Plane's loaded up with crates, Trevor! Just like you said!
Rest of the guns must be on the plane down the end of the runway. Get me to my plane, Ron! Vamos, go! I guess it's time to use those explosives.
Blowing that bomb would probably help us out some.
Somebody give! Get me to that plane! Come on! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, Ronald! Get me to my plane, Ron! Vamos, go! Yeah! This one's for you, permit jump trick! Suppose there's room for a passenger?
Watch out for the bikers, they're all over you.
The guy who's taking receipt of these guns is in a boat just off the coast.
Hey, there's a biker on your wing, Trevor.
I am aware of this.
Well, you gotta get him off. Do a roll or something.
While the man on my wing presents no immediate danger, I'll do my best to oblige you.
He ain't letting go, is he? Shit, Trevor, you can't get him off. You set up a buyer for these guns already? I thought we was just hitting back at him for the thing with the statue.
If you'd read our latest shareholder report, Ron, you'd know TP Enterprises has been exploring a takeover of some lost MC business in the armaments and narcotics sectors for some time. And that kind of requires someone to purchase our guns.
Right, of course. There's a flare in the water. I'm guessing it's them.
Affirmative, make the drop.
Military base coming up. Fly low. We don't want to show on their radar.
Successfully delivered, Ron. Now remember, if you beat me to the airstrip, I'll butcher your carcass and wrap you in cheesecloth.
You wouldn't really do that to me, would you?
Beat me and you'll see.
I ain't a trained Air Force pilot like you. I can just about get where I'm going, but I don't got much choice over whether it's fast or slow.
Then get better at it, or fly through a barn.
Would a barn slow me down?
Yeah, it might do. Or it might kill you instead.
I'm just gonna fly normal, and I'll rely on you getting there quicker.
You're braver than I thought.
Stay low over those wetlands, boss. So the guns are going to Mexico?
Mexico. Yeah, guy in the boat is Oscar Guzman. He's in with the cartels.
If there's a market, this could be a way to expand the business.
Like I hadn't thought of that. We might be able to buy into Oscar's thing, but leave that to me, Ron.
I'm sorry to ask this, but does your contact pay well for this kind of shipment? Because I've got those lawyer fees for the divorce and my settlement costs.
Oh, he pays. Better than any in this sorry country.
That's good to hear, man.
We'll talk about the exact split when we're grounded, okay?